telling you, bro, I hate when I come to the nigga house with this crazy dog, man. Stop. Hey, man, I don't know how people be tripping on the dog, man. The dog, cool. He cool, man. Look. You don't bite? Look. You don't bite? Look. You don't bite? Right. The dog don't bite. Right here. Get the dog, bro. Get your dog. Get your dog. You just seen that? My dog don't really know how to jump no gate. You know what? Maybe this dog not crazy after all. Maybe I'm just tripping. Let me try to pet him through the glass. Hey, Tweety! I don't know what people be tripping on my dog for.